Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing your data. Make an encrypted local backup and an iCloud sync. Once done, confirm battery 50% and connect a stable USB cable to your computer. Next, download the exact iPad OS 17 IPSWA that matches your model and get the patcher build for unsupported devices. You do this because mismatched firmware or a missing patcher will block the install. Make sure the files finish verifying before you continue. You now run the patcher tool on your computer to inject kernel tweaks and a compatible SEP into the IPSWA. This step bridges the new OS and the older hardware. As it runs, watch the logs for errors and save a copy of the patched IPSWA in an easy path. Once that's done, make sure your iPad is ready. Disable passcode and Find My, then put it into DFU mode. These actions let the host apply the patched firmware cleanly without interruptions. You restore the patched IPSWA to the device using Finder, iTunes, or the patcher's integrated installer, and then wait through the restore and initial boot. This can take several minutes. Once booted, complete iPad setup, reinstall your apps, and test Wi-Fi, cellular, cameras, and battery to confirm functionality. If the device won't boot or you see crashes, retry the patch with a different SCP variant and review logs. If unresolved, restore your backup and revert to the original.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.